Mara nito ima muna.
Ndome.
Waswa kutuwa. Uri nitent. Nkonosia printing yana.
Mu life. Oh, inoitela zvone mwana inesvo. Ndiri inoitela ndizvona zvinoitisa mwana.
Anishibona ke right bad. Ke chacho dintebela. Hey, not a mapo. Beni asokuamba ntuninote hapa 30 minutes za doba futhi.
Straight.
Ngalida ti. Mara ngazofozora hayi mamuna. Ati kotonchiva. Mara lazozazviyani nini?
Amen.
Mara inanotakala ini mamuna.
Totakala me.
Ndichimuzori faida yo ngalangala. Nano jabulela. Mbuzini nanotakala.
Ardivi go.
Sizo.
Ndawo kufunga tungamba chapo. Kamuzi.
Mara zinotobo chincha mimi.
Sako to da repeat left.
Ndikufunga yabe right mamuna.
Hai.
Okay ndimichina number.
Auna.
China for charges shapa.
Ardo senda musi.
Besides izvena nozvipa pezi
narana
miyavana.
Ndandisina manje.
Chazvina. Ola mtu ndimuswa.
Ngombori mini ne.
Ndadimuza nare azazubula idosikerepo.
Ndone budzizo re podcast ti ina mudzimu nga ngo
Ende azakuma
rari zwinwele
I love you homie.
I love you too homie.
Past 5. Amashero rotako. Ene rufuso nga 3. Rozo fani oni nga idela company cheo.
Mara ni right day.
The grand ma bro ni grand.
Then the right. Ke zvinosvika right and ubva Venda zvinorejozi. So that and
Straight.
Yeah, but then anyways, ntoni performance yabe yana 9 Venda clock. Ndio nenda atantu. Ndakozama wana clip zami zingo perform Venda clock ange. Linga Sunday.
Venda clock. Yeah, it was dope, bra. It was packed. Yeah, na energy on it. Yeah, it was
Energy yabathu kana yanu.
Yabathu na nne. Rote. Rara na energy.
Energy energy ko perform ati energy ive kubva kore ndini munhu nje kana ive kuitwa ngakore vathu ngo reciprocate zvino vathu kuita kaini
uresponda abathu muzwana so bathu energy ya artist influence wanga dzifan uri dziko respondisisa hani muzwana yeah
so if nanopo say muna chira story rinonga cha road kid cha dini cha mrawa ngitizonaza to jena game ini achi perform 12 ramuna sadopa energy yote.
I was going to give my all. Muzwana. So kwambori emana energy energy ina meaning njinji mamuna aranda skutori energy. Ndingasuka ndapupa that doesn't mean energy. That's not the type of energy I'm talking about. Ndikwambanga energy ya atmosphere umfesa.
Nekari nevakombozo mutu achikochina ngozwa zvinokadzaita. Nechifei una energy ola muna.
No bukiwa chikanite zvinono bukiro ita zvone. But then energy ya petu na atmosphere ineyo kwamba hiyo energy yanga ikutedzere hone ngasvili nango vathu vavili vodovona nazone so yeah itodzere hone
kandi kotenda tamburi vari kunicheka cheka cause performance the tazo ndo performance ndi zimbudi kati ya ukati
ukanda
ngosivotezi azidzode vati vadivela suzutukutuku zvino zvazvikuvavaisa mara ratojanakazo sangofanichiwo and also ti I think ndikadiro zvimwe ndichitopedza recorda ndinorecorda ati lantinaredzirikota nga December ti last year then ndabvisa line up rokutoda huina vatinotakara kutoona Luna and then ndichitori vimini yela ntu yokhela na mina kwatomokwata and then havana inga wachise ndingasiyambe ngadzina mara yona I'm sure ngadi comment kana idodana ndaiwitsa rona kutoza muri mini palapeti awakambori muna uri nini wani ngabidza Luna na wani kotozamo uvusa creyo la muna inifonga una point inosvika enarwa vatu vapfori na anichewo petu ne vapfori rineri chinibidzana ngora nguti itovusiwa nayo
hezvo zvitingotozvipfesa zvabve noreo ndichividziwa uri ati yo commentary why ndovidziwa kapodcast
ndika live iti yori why novidziwa kapodcast iti ngotazama revive career wena ndandikuri what do you mean by that avakamura inofunga Luna angapusha svika ndari ne uyangane nazve avo umbuza kaila interview yamura nendifunga ubeya fetu ti so ini zvaso zvambo kaini ndingapfuriri zviva zviyani neni
ndikafilisani
mutakudzori vatu vakuriveva career yanu ini nikadiva kayo
uri mine bra vatu richana vatu vopambana no and everyone has their own opinion bra mwana mudzirana zvine angamba ngumura and huvo zvine akuvona so ene munhu comes ovona zvaizvo ri hai Luna ndi muthu ane oda anepa for 3 days zvezvinorido risichenayo umpesa so ndizve ene munhu yavona mara asi zvine mumwe namumwe akovona and that's not what I believe nemunhu because I know what I'm doing right
how long have you been here not marini zvisto
nga 2024
ini mzamari nchemuswa zvakuma 2024 then vanaso zvoimonga uri but then anyway okay kaine 2024 arina mberi chene kaya ti yakufanza uri zazotomisana zvamuzika because rine Venda like vaimbi vodhara namini and then you think uri okay maybe zvino ringatowana dzi project ntsva kwati vane vavaona already but then we still have more artists coming out unongaini and then koda futi nadova jia Venda nga wave ine ndikuru rasingo expect last so in last ndimencha achitwa okay niotoma muzika zvakudhibudi and then nichisvika kagame nafori noidhangaila wave what does it mean to you
funa muzika zvotomangodzura studio mara namatangane achirecorda hip hop but then I had my own idea and I knew the space chinoenda kutototoma kacho so somehow ndandodhibudzore ndikotototoma ka space cha Venda so I need to take that crowd and everything so zvene ndamunoenda vandichihumbura zvone ndandichipfesesa uri haisi ndazviite izvi zvingarwa my fellow Venda people will love this so rufuno rwamuzika rwagroba nepo ndichirwa track ndichitechelesa ndapfura zvithu zvikuru izvi zvikonanisa uri ndive ndikufuna muzika zviva zvithu zvikonanisa uri ndifune muzika and I was confident enough to a certain point ye ndachizvidiva uri hezvithu vathu vazvipfa ndazvidhorwa zvikotiyo trend izvi vazvipfa so zvovanga ine ndira
and then rave nemwe debate ti ningamba so uri inini studio nikorecorda ni vanikufanza kuma rurimbo rudhorwa kana rudova hiti kana sikofori I hope vatu rudova takadzanga then ane rwandakadzangayo kwasa feel like nezo zvito mamunhu
hezvithu zvione zviachira unoona sometimes zvauri ndipfa ungari kamzi track idhorwa mara izarwa mara nesofa hatituriliza wo track ine hatituvonavo isongo yapitu kana mini uzvona so far hatitu mara ndizvivona nanga dzimwe dziartist my fellow artists namini uri riadiriri studio nawana muchitauri recorda track rari hetrack ikurwa machuzi mara nawana achirelease ange vatu vasazvireceive nga ndira ine mini rakuexpectisa ngayo uzvona mara azvituite yakanevo so far
but then problem vekanyapit if vatu vakufurira takadzi mara ini noita you gave your best na studio namajita wako dhambora nikurwa kana mangotofurana uri maybe
akasofurana mamuna rimbo rwarwela ini nerusanutele zvakonadzee ngomvesa zvavudi uwina zvibva kamajority uri zvikofunwa nga vatu vanjina azvamburi chito achikufuniwa totally but then panewo ungakadhivawo vatuku vanokuchifuna havana vanji vasikuchifuna sometimes havana vanji vanokuchifuna havana vatuku vasachifuni ngomvesa auna chicho chanochidzira chotopfi vatu vothe vadotwa nacho namini no mafungo nduri ngachicho chipinga zvikodipenda naka chipinga timing namini mamuna una dzimwe track dzine nadzibvisa zvino so ningaona vatu vasikuto pay attention vatechelesa izvo zvithu mara havana chipinga chinene ngozvonzvo uri kutanga namini I can make an example unga hela track ya Misofield I'm giving him a shout out by the way una hela track vasva vakutu nochipona kla chipinga rakuita mini so it zvazvikotoidya attention ya mumwe namumwe
and nazvinoravya rungava relevant
nazvinoravya rungava relevant zvichikodependa kamini chipinga timing
but then ini norari mutuso akurecorda nafasoro kurimbo arusharp ningakona mudza uri achuzi umbonibvise rurimbo ndisokufunga rungasiye petu
I'm a very honest person my brother atizvipi I can just
dana jealous mudifi una jealous dima
no nandiva ndikotozama uri kamsi arali riva richichirisana nori hatisi kubudza mumwe namunhu ndizvibudza vatu vane riapfesesana ngomvesa ane angazizvijenge ndira because vatu hezvo zvithu zvione zvinonenge zviyamburi mutu angasikufesora muzvara vatovana jealous mara atizviyambi in a bad way maybe arali riri kuita track endafesori mini maybe vese iwork kana mini ndi nga to hambura a choose hapi to ringazama uchincha na mina zvote na duva na energy ya lelo duva iyahamba namusi ringa dara recorda flop machelo ravuya on the very same project ra recorda hit yeah so mapungo ni communication and how to communicate. You gotta know how to communicate with other people. Yeah. Ndani muzora ngota flop nani ngazeni fare sharp.
Yeah, I think but then videos yambe zvitu.
Mara
history ndio ambori why ni kurisha sharp.
Mara arali ndamba na ini zvabude ndari Kingsley nona kufusura hapa rachinga chincha zvimwenyana zvituku ngori hezvino ni kamsindi kubona ngari azvikotochimberera na beat kana mini. Izvezvo.
Okay, zvafana. And then also ngamba zvasoti because amboda zoro nazo zvine reamba ti because ndo mudzimwe tingombe zva jealous nanga. Uri okay ndine rea rurare so vewe ninga the for rimbo lu right ngam studio na ruvisa ruchidaka rine risutaka rere rote mara abona watu vane vakotaka majority kana minority yakotaka so rine pala peto rine udzisani veuri muna rimba rushapo and rikofore na kwinisa zva so ndi zvingava zvikwini or ni FG sharp because neso kufonga rea pakazi podcast richamba tombo ditomukwata
hey problem ringasi solve mama problem yani it has been there and it does right on the problem yani dzule yone ringovera zamu isolve mama because namsi unaiti udova na watu vane kuri aikurwa ndi flop auno ringa isolve ngori namsi razamo budza vamwe ringazamo zviambisisa so limwe alingasi itende zvithu unomwe muthu ane haangatotende izvo zvofi ndi Kingsley ari kugenerera
yeah okay and then ari kumene mraunyana ti ningo vela nikomfonera ndosvika da elati yakombora Instagram ukofona that's another ndichifara ndobudere Instagram lezina la IG Lunar la lovaga IG cause nane ndobudzima ukozumbula nganthane reason cause ndobuzoro what do you mean uri Instagram akoro ndamdzumbula ri yaje so in sun kai
on the initials the IG partner there's no how to besana story chinji behind zvitu kana story chilapfu chine ndangato amburi dzila initial dzibva ka hanepo pitu but then nechiko create dzina as an artist ne wava na dlathu zwine ni awanori ka dzi platform una muthu ane ubidza lelo dzina straight na mina zvote so somehow ni ati motivate lanu because tini manisa zvidivi nechiko difa dzina ini mune ni manisa zvidivi uri kamsi una mumwe muthu ane wa exister ka dzi social media kana umwe na umwe hapo pitu so somehow you gotta make your name unique so I thought of that IG mara isa komina Instagram it's komina I and God that's it I and God
then the Lunar party nene
it's just Lunar.
What's Lunar now?
What's Lunar?
It's just Lunar now. And then that's got just Kingsley. What do you thought you had should why won't personal so
there thought you were one of the personal so I was so interested to the I'm not interested but the to was
at eclipse
ngwana man the last one interested ngazo so at some point ndo ndaita form some sort of like gang yana so nabangana banga
gang komba crew
not really crew usasla so usi gang
yeah
just sure tinaona la mafinga au 2021 ngange mahambarele obya dama mahambarele bathu vachizopfi skri amanda so nana vangana vangari vathu vane rachizvifunela so we're so fascinated about that fashion so rachifunela fashion amanda so at some point ndo creator zvimwe zvachifi aim the Lunar I just thought of the name but then Lunar
like it's more like aim asuzvirentanta
ngumwana aim high my brother
so that's an interesting story man unoona sikubuza mtu handisi kufi Lunar nje unozviamba so zviva zvikofara
or aim high so ndaita gang nyana achivawo una kumwe kutanga nyana ngapa murau ka ana zvimwe zibhaji nyana dzipfizi camera jacket na zwithu zvinji zvarari zviambara zvachiva zvoprintiwa ngapa murau mara zvachitoitiswa nga dzi hand painting auna munhu mujita achivi Black Ace shout out to Black Ace so achiva wopindiwa ngapa murau uri aim the Lunar rwa kumwe sitanga chiplanet enyana kichi
chitori chinteresting ngolifadzina asi Instagram auzokuva Lunar nje yene na mdzimu ene zvamika sense ini na mdzimu kadzi solar eclipse
mwana
yeah And then also zvinonokamba zori vazoprintiwa I mean now ndikuona outfit iqueen kaeleya ngitila nanokambora benda ndosiko kinyera
ndandojumesiwa
nani right nanochimonga nyindodza 2 weeks before
ndambudza 2 weeks before mara ndahangwa ngotea busy la chingana chose
ngori achimwe chadzichelede
mwana zviwaiwaya munhu rakati vari
kuchesa
apo ndambara zviambaro zvendaitelwa nga Kilofits. Yeah, this other boy called Kilofits. It's very good with merchandise. You can just see for yourself, my brother.
Gin to gin.
Shout out to Kilofits.
Mbudzana nena ndona kutupisa naikile chingabera rikomecha zvinoradha mecha ndizvo professional izvinanikwamba ti
matching is not professionalism.
Uniform unaitonga ntu
uniform ya podcast yachozi
no and then also ningama the eclipse za Lunar na mean so ndakuzomuza okay yati yajambo yachinga bayiwa na chance yo start za physics na mean but then last time kama namuzori no ndo start zvonena no path na mean why not
varsity but high school ndo ita the science
za the physics wagumane hapo ka uronema planet pezi
ndiva ndiko ita science kezvo zvipatho zvinoenda kuzviita it's science. That's why I should be building sciences.
How is it going now? The last time I remember
doing great, man. But then somehow ndo svikaenda lose balance uzviona ndila svipinga chivotomuduma nini so uduma na chikoro azvitochimbirirana zvavhuḓi until you get to find yourself free no auve na chipinga chahezvi kauve na chipinga chahezvi so zvichikadhitotoma yakonda balance.
So at what point do you get it to rent kuti wana balance ndimisi nichikofeira kana
ndimisi nichikofeira now anori the funding sponsorship zvikonilata mini nakona realize uri now I'm on my own mwana namborenela income ine nakuita nga muzika zvambora ningotoemeka sure mini ni badele dzibili dzote dzilani dzine sponsorship chova chikuni thadura kadzo.
Oh, makes sense. Yeah ne and then so no right so nikamba zori chikolo na mini kodijena na mini so would you say unya kutoivuzisa ninto uri okay ni chikolo ni nikuita muzika ti so why niko for una bundeme ori ndito ya chikoloni rune nonyango zitori ndito achitinene una lati vane vaita ntu aka vatu weto zi engineering namara za sound vadziva vasizishumisa. I think there's another artist also so naini are you that person aneni korojia chikolo in case muzika wasichimiro shapo ndudha mandina chawera kacho
na chikolo nditochifuna ma ene ndochitambulela nyana zvituko.
What do you mean chitambulela?
Kwamburi ndodhifeira nda kondelela ngona ndiyachifuna nditochifuna ndiyepfesore mini ndasava na bhambiri dzilandi the one is sharp ndikuyangova nainzila bhambiri and izila bhambiri dzasave kuchiloni mamgona ngori niyazvidei uri ka music career ningasituva noto atikotodoimbela ndala actually that's what I can say.
So ndozita zote so nyango vanikoshuma
either uenda ndikudovanda ndikuita muzika but then arali huna umwe ane havana chelede nji but muzika entertainment ndiyaifuna ma blind muzivona so I don't think ndingakuita entertainment mara if it's making me enough money ndingalichoshuma but then mara ndina qualification lune namse anga zoko feeling muduva ukuita zvimwe ndiyakona yanda apply mushumo ndashuma ndava right kuchilonguwa
okay and then I think so liko pfara la chikolo and then zvino arigene ka the music thing now nan kama zero no toma 2024 and then rene we just know rave rofofi kada ni mrabe mtani we know it's you. I think that's the first video I saw of you ninga alufumira rimbolone ninga chipolo chechila
Muyani.
I think the line ndo ifind your meaning mara naone unakurengere so hela line it I think hela line yoba deep mamna and here's the thing ndo ifela hela line ndo ifati na comment ka video ndari hela line goated but wako like azore okay yati kama ngo lingo duvara rukwira ka para hela party ikishika time yanga yaseya uri naone unakurengere so vakazama mulozo yati iva kutobulisa so riyo vada fakori the thing yori kadri marabe mna yayo bagay
and then the by G-Rems
ndi
G-Rems and the half the landlords.
Oh
yeah, it was inspired by him. As we all know, those are the niggas I found on the game baba kupusha ne before I even thought of Toma Mzik. So izila zvithu zvasokoba zvimwe zvithu zvane ndopfa zvi fascinating but ikanda ndafanda kuzvitakalele zvila zvithu bad. So yeah, I created an intro from that. Yeah.
And then the language usage in any kubvaga ndina vanokamba like hadani marabe mtana nduri utambanga ma 15 ndo language usage nga amara ndi language usage either way so lazwi mani kuti nduri ntodzana nazvi practice saka ndisone ndozdoela ni chiranga zvo nembisa sona majitano
kwambere kwanga ku different ma not different from zwine ndaimba zwone kwamba uri ku different kha kwambele kana kha luambo lune ra lu shumisa ḓuvha na ḓuvha zara nga spenda ḓuvha ḽoṱhe ri kwamba so ni nga mangala lunzhi badi uri ini ni khou ri mini hafha fhethu na ini ndi muthu zwi a pfhala arali ni tshi ḓivha uri ndi khou ri mini ndi a zwiḽa zwithu zwa uri nda nga sokou tou pfha ipfhi nda pfha ndi khou ḽi funa ti ḽi namba ḽa dzhena kha vocabulary majus ḽa namba ḽa shuma sa ḓuvha na ḓuvha arali nda nga sokou tou ri tshali arali kwamba nga vhasadzi nṋe kha nṋe hu ḓo pfhi ndi tshali
vhasadzi kha ndi tshali
hu ḓo pfhi ndi khou tou zama u fanyisa mozibona ndikuzama uri ndi khou ita example ungane ḽo ipfhi mozibona
na tshali nga nini
nṋe na muthu muthihi
kamba tshali
sina tshali asina tshali ndi na muthu
arali khorala
arapambala
genre muzika wa ndi vhiyo nayi ine nanukimba nana musi titupfesa uri
that's our own genre bra ara to name mara we are soon to name it
mara ya if ngora ntu name nanukimba sonorali ni rewe ko wela kamina hafu na dzi award ndon ko categorize kwa topi
ndinga categorize kwa piano because it comes from piano but then it has elements dzane dzo fuziwa dzi name as za piano ufana dzi log drum dza hone mini as zwithu zwa piano lazwo dzi bounce dza hone I don't know if you need to understand your science ya muzika
andita ndivana lingona ngidwala yambo lingwe iphinda lifuna bano kana fi DBS kana ebeka yawe testa kana mini
BPM
BPM jemele mini BPM la ndo sema
BPM ndi lubilo lwa limbo ma ndi lubilo lo ri limbo lu kugidimisa hani how fast or how slow
chambore nendo number 1 cause ndori beats per minute vazoka ke ti beats ari ku raw fast BPM the when testa chambore ala mati akutoza mudita utwa kuine kande ndo number 1
ndio bila leo
ma upinyela tina not ita ndizimwe zikana ita 3 step ya mvenda tyaone ndikhoreseiwa na crosswave ba hone
hayiba
go straight radical life ya crosswave actually akamba no BPM nenda ndi beats per minute ya ukomba vile mara it's fine and atna meremenga crosswave ne munhu utanganisa na demand because I feel like hey that's the best way ne aingoto name mara ukini see to raba tokoshima wothe so
crosswave ro tangana nga 2024 ndi chithoma muzika ti ndo chithoma muzika I was to studio camp Kalahari afala ntazi basa so la studio camp chana watu ngavo Gusba na road kid ba ko dida ba recorder so crosswave oba hone afala he was part of the camp and he was the producer, he was the main producer afala kela camp alongside this other guy called Could Be Exclusive but then napalanda ndo bidzwa nga mmane wanga ane aba air music, she's also doing music and she's doing
I don't know want wa questa
yeah
ndimani wala
yeah
Kutoka mtu mtuku mara okay mara ndizo vaenda sora na wana malume mtuku kaini
ni mulu ale mama
really
ngamanda ba ko farasha apa ngazo yapa
wana mtu maasa ukuma ele uko difara udi
ngamanda
yeah so ntachitseni uri so if natangana and then we uri ni pedze ndo farana so
pedze ndo farana ninga mramsi uchivana ushuma hote musi mane wanga vachithoma ushuma naye under company yavo ya 360 there's a company called 360 music I think naibona napala kadzi nyimbo dzanga pala kadzi distribution mini nasitanga zvinomwariwa pala una company yonofi 360 music ya ndiye avala muthu so ene otomo ushuma achikoproducera mini company so that's where we met and the company mini ndinaushaka nayo nenga papo zvamburi I have that privilege yore mini ndingaya studio ndawana wave yako producer ndamumbela uri maji kumro producer wa track rita sona so yeah then rashumo vana ipo zavangendera.
Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect. Nifonga unamwe mtani anga dovadana shuma nae ukini upira ntu
I don't think so, man. Yeah, Crosswave has been the best producer I've ever met. And then ngandre ni rapesana ngayo, also the energy and everything. The energy una muthu ane nari ngoshuma naye na pfani ngonyama and una producer dzine ni ndo wana ngoni fundedzo ri ni iteni and una producer dza thetshelesi
ngozama uri minchararu like avathetshelesi in terms
bro
of
nṋe ndo dzula so ndiko ḓa na idea ya luimbo eni nga si ḓa na mbudza uri ndi ri mini kana ndi ite mini kha yo idea
but then
I'm coming with the idea
azwi kurumisira ngei murahu ya coffee comes ukoni kakulu uri zvangu zvive sharp
u khakhulula na u vhudza muṋe wa idea tshithu azwi fani nṋe nga si ni khakhulule kha luimbo lwanu ma bro ini arali na mbidza nari ni na track ni gombela uri nṋe ndi pange verse ti arali ni muṋe ni ngo pfesesa zwi sharp nṋe nga si ni khakhulule kha luimbo lwanu ini and u khakhulula no zama u controller kana u zama ati ḓivhi ndi kwamba uri huna vhathu vhane ni tshi khou muvhudza idea ene u nyango ita zwawe
already u vha o no hanedza ono ḓa nayo idea
ndi ngombesa u vha tshi nyango ḓa na zwawe zwino u khakhulula na hezwo zwithu a zwi fani producer inga ni khakhulula mini kuimbele kha musi uri no ni tsinisa na mic ma bro zwi khou dislota sendela ni tsini na mic 1 zwo no nga zwezwo hei key ndi khou vhona ungari a i khou tenda zwavhuḓi na tshi nga shumisa hei key ya so na so ṅwana so arali nṋe ndi khou ṅwala luimbo ndi for sure ndi khou tea u ḓi createla beat ya kha muhumbuloni because ndi nga si flow ni zina beat zwi amba uri ni tea u vha ni khou humbula uri beat ngayo i khou gidimisa hani nṋe nda vha ndi khou ri mini nṋe nda vha ndi khou ri mini so nṋe arali ndi khou ḓa na idea ndi khou ḓa nayo nda i vhea nṱha ha ṱafula nda i fha producer nda ri bro nṋe ndi na idea ya so na so so nda tshi nga tama ri tshi create beat ya so na so na so na so right nṋe ndi nga si ḓe nda humbula idea ya piano na ita beat ya 3 step it doesn't make sense.
What's the difference between the two name?
3 step fast and then dzi kick boom 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 ndizo jive ma dancer fast zvile fast zvile BPM yone in thas fast.
Oh, okay. Piano. And then also nan kamba zori okay nichi da studio na chibona Gusba uri kid na mini so alama wati asane ndi vhathu vhane vha wana already kha muzika vha woni receive nini niko jani mtu muswa their own producer ne uone nepo and then now niko thoma shuma nawo
abala vana ndo mangone vho nkhoda mama like ndi tshi thoma na mutsi ndi tshi imba zwila because there's a song yenda ita na Root Kid uzibona and this other artist from Tanzania so
no international already.
I can say that on that side because that song ne yatamana ka TV ngange Tanzania.
Really?
Yeah.
In a music video?
Yeah, in a music video.
Ani marara nendi neti divi mamuna.
Ani divi yona ka
okay ini na Root Kid
December yo to ṅwalwa December ya Venda macho December
mbona ni ngola na the royalties the Tanzania that's the rate ya chuzi
so hala na ndo receive sharp mamuna and also ndichi ndo ḓa phala studio ndo recorda luimbo luthi mara last ba vona quality lani ya lupo na mini but then zwenda ndi kwamba zone lyrical content yanga vha khou ḓala vhala vhana and I still remember ḓuvha la hone lenda thomo recorda kha studio kha yo track yo phi December Gusba va siyo ndo wana Gusba ha na Root Kid ra ri khou recorda ne phala Gusba ra tshi vhela track yawe kulidziwa aipfa a usuri ndi nyana khou rap hapo afi ndi nari ha vele ungwana
makoro
ndo wa won't receive well level vana
and then Gusba nga comment ngazori kamsini go sound ase cause unezwine renesa defender ra kambo abeluna uimba sa Gusba
na atu vya nderangedzo vibe nola muna
and then njono origin kantu ka Root Kid ono nani ngrovamba nga yezwi cause apari ambo dia visa so and funny enough zoitea ku podcast ko lwa khelo clock vera oya visa limbo ana metro kamuzori no actually demand if oba usini otherwise one abaona so akuzama rimini and inino zwijisa ne last
ne thongo vya ndaba na flop nazo mamuna
mara ukwamba ngona
I don't think so
kan akwamba ngona line song ofela abuti yongwa line yaphela
akwamba ngoma muna as an artist you gotta be creative enough urimini nikona dzhia attention ya vhathu kana uri zwithu zwamu ukona vhana vhathu vhano kwamba ngazwo ḓuvha na ḓuvha ngomvesa that's not true
na zwino kezo kwamba ngazwo lo mathumuni ya ṅwaha
hu kuiteliwa zwo nga hezwi lyrical content ya hola muna akuitela hezwi
to ina interest beefy
hai
I feel like ninga not a quality kuli beefy richiko china riko beef wa
ati dari
yeah and then so rendika kano yanatangana yani cause not than arpa Muyani of which in as much exclusive waone aje dibana please bona zoda sezuroba woni lachunga richamba before
obone ka
ndikari mbulula Muyani
ewo
ndasa dibi kila shpinga
hai
ndir as remix la trake
Bliss Boy ela track ichi vaini chala obone Bliss Boy yo vha remix ngori yo mbo ḓi tea u dzheniswa kha EP ya Mutulagole.
Cause ndo no Bliss Boy nda zwithu kana ndi ngori hey to ḓivhi mara yeah so ari ambe nganthu ngauri la feature yo int me ya vhala vhathu vha khou limbo vhodisana I mean
cause ni gaga ndo to foneliwa zwa ḓi nga MC ḓola nda khou bva studio ndi tshi nga iṅwe othi if MC photographer. Yeah, he's currently working with Go Downs, you know. And it's a milestone for him, man. Yeah, shout out to him. Huh?
Yeah, I'm not Go Down.
Yeah, no man. That's a remedy, man.
Yeah, Charlie still Go Down.
I don't know which Charlie Zima mna Go Down.
Oh, inola Charlie na zwimwewo. Inola Charlie na zwimwewo. Ila
pastu zwinje la ntuma mna.
Ngamanda bewa ntumara. Waonena nko chimla dzikikita mbili. Ngono ipfera ya.
Chimblesa.
Yeah.
Unaita mini nazo nisa kudipfa shapu.
Yeah. So nani kama MC ya.
MC ndando mufaro la mona ndo mufara zwa ḓi nga mando la mona. So shooting track yanga enda ibvisa na Young Peasy nga 2025 mathumoni January somewhere there. Adari shooter rita mini music video nga mahala mini. So yeah ndo mufaro bvana ipo la mona amfonelo la mona athi kuthoma shuma na Randy Gaga. He was the man behind the content yo the Randy Gaga. Ati ḓivhi zori u thoma lini mara wavha u ene
ngwa kupusha
ati ḓi zori na zwino vha kha ḓi spana na yeah so amfonelo la monare ndo pfisa Randy Gaga iṅwe track ya ma Randy Gaga uri ari te track uri ila track ikurwesa badi nenwe track ya dan shooter yana ndo kwamba yenyo ufina kubiela ifina kubiela iyo ka catalog yanga
ini ndi chinsearch ati ubva Mutulagole ava bombo ava is it another single out of nyimbo nji
ni wani mwanza chaka mini
okay kaijubu ndi pesa zuka ijubu
imon
sakuma
tione mumuna dza nyimbo zote maybe zikotwa nchi diva
kali na topic njinji
ina topic ntima ane pala ka topic adzibvi
ka topic ubva ndi ḓo cheka zwavhuḓi usa ḓo fi
okay track njiti dzika Mutulagole dzika album ya Mutulagole before Mutulagole ndo to release Muyani nda release bombo nda release maroto na yona kubiela only hot
maroto na wona
ndato wana track
Capable Boys
maroto na Capable Boys
ila yori papi yako tipitini nga ndivyo
ndi bombo yo
but
they were not part of the song. It was me giving them a shout out. Yeah.
And why do you do that?
Why do I do that?
Utofa shout out to
okay,
but they also artists as well. Don't push it maybe.
I used to look up to them at that point because they were way higher and everything.
True.
So yeah, that's why I was giving them a shout out to it.
Yeah.
Mina zote nda zwo dhara nga mandinga mama.
Maniga sera sala.
Yeah. Nda zwo dhara nga chamaniga.
Yeah, nakadema nakubyela uri
ha ubvapo ndipo Randy Gaga achi humbela uri kharidi mini kharishuma ra shuma track mbili mara ya bili opesala zonga ibvisa. I don't know the reasoning behind it, but then yo pesala isonga cha drop you mara ione and yayo pusha blind kadzi digital streaming not kadzi ndo zvipa kadzi social media ka TikTok yayo pusha blind aona zvinhu stanga chofima next hadi chachi pusha la cha rwa kuti filter ya
ndakuro cha wambo jori mara jeshila tasara chibozogori
wala
yeah and then also kawati baso wani bakoni pusha na mini watu ni how do you appreciate or imuna because I feel like wofindi zvine zvati tomaitiwa nwadho like visa na visa ruimbo solo right so ti rawa na furukoro na risaka TikTok watu vasa kutakarela what do you do ni alo retriever mrawo actually risongo cha tanto arina meruru misere mrawo risongo cha batoni kana ni for no watu vangasokolwa ka TikTok na mine nerdo visa nga swili
ja depend on how powerful the project is kana urinoishumana nyi ngona nanga fi ndoshuma na mapurisa na muziki mara nabe unapunga track yone aikotorwa zvabu na ndikotoibvisa la track
kumba
bana because it's still a milestone whether you guys azvisina ndauri veoni kuri mini mara it's a milestone ngona yeah
nzoita kamjelele
mujelele vatu vototomoamba zvichaere mara ila track yalivira ti wapengiwo mamunhu
mara I remember vakuchina guy marwani probably and unaita zopfina rimbo niyabe na rudowela unaela ti ifinyi Clement Mausa yo visa rimbo lwa
lela track ndifa ichinthwera Ungona? And then from the get go ndandikopfa ikurwela track and also it was the milestone futhi ngori Makhadzi big ma bro.
And what does it mean? Achikotodirero duimba naini because ndino ne approach awo na mina.
Mana it meant a lot bra. Zvambori ndozvipfura hapa zvinondofara wave.
Ndosvika.
Yeah. Ndefara wave zvino.
Yeah, ratotobuya kai futhi. Nanyuri ruye kari ndigaga ti. So ngoita ini rimbo naye na viso ria eni asiviso rungu. Zvaso zviita mini kai ngofori ndo studio time na record mara aniko release rimbo ne comes rushing at the push na nini smatches run. Zvaso zvinifarisa nini.
Azvone azvongotomufara shapo ma especially ndosedza the way uri rimbo rapusha ngayo mamuna because as an artist muntu urwere uri mini kadzira yako release dzihit mara it's impossible for an artist to be always dropping hits.
I think it's possible though. Okay, some try.
So to ba hit pedzi. Ungatitova na majority wa dzi hit ma bro.
But ngamba ne album yotheve kotakadza.
Azvamburi track dzanu dzata dzina ndo dzibvisa dzidwa dzi hit mamuna.
Zvikobera no mapurisa.
Zvikondera mumwe na mumwe yazvo.
And then you kumwera ine ridiga kana. Okay, ola mtu eno right ti uyanga wewe vanaimba naye. Corner vari kuvona output imwevo ngapo nonsa dzifine.
Unozambisa re.
No ndozvona ndikuzori ndomwelana so ndarikumuna reason ndikuzori ndomwelana ndingori ndisokufonga kamsi.
Ritotusana ola mtu naye una mumburo wawe mamuna ti and una idea dzawo dzine adha nadzo ngomfesa. So nditotusana mamuna uri haizvo ringazvikinipadza sona mina zvote rava na communication ya sharp uri at the end of the day delivery to zvinodofunwa ngavantu. Yeah.
Okay, and then zvinongori harapira arikotenda hopefully do release ori rimbo ti. And yet nichamba naye ne mara koma nibvisa rimbo runo.
Rasitoambesa ngazvo. Yeah, but I think ndingajena khalo. Ndikasararela track yeno pelelwa nga chipinga because rimbo rwapelwa nga chipinga vatu varutechelesa ka TikTok vabva khazvo.
Nitsendero nene then uzori rungabva kana rusongobva. Totoni kulufana musi.
Jora.
I don't want to exclusive. Yeah, and then ndakabela zori Gusba na mini ni chantoni so arjena kaya zvinoti. So there was that comparison here to mobile one ni chitotomo jena gaming. Obviously because I wouldn't say can the voice because also zotoma zwanga kadombo ki star. Na ina chido difunga Gusba and then you came but wakamba so. So na shini zviri mini kind. But wakoza muzori an identity kana wo ni janga windira weni.
Zvone zvichitomedza kuti zvasamfari chapo andini ndichikona zvivona uri mini mwana mwapi tikutaurira yawe mabro ritonga riri yafana ngori rivari kuimba some sort of like same genre and na word play yazvo zvinga zviyairana mwana na word play yazvo zvinga mini zviyafana nene ndiva ndikutamba ngamaipfi and achivenda naye that's what he does mwana. So zvambori kufanira vana comparison hapo pitu. Mara nasedza my voice is bold. Bold neni manga base.
And ndiyambisa so dona do vati. Cause namsirengi ndato cause ndofela dari chitoro tom. Like na yati kamzibo. Ndazifara kutumwamba na mara na hapa na dova futhi. Cause muthu wafana zwinwe ndozita na va studio okay. Izamo va unique nyana.
Voice nini mama. Yeah. Ndo ndinyipara. And ndiyazama izekenisa mama nandichamba.
Those zama ndifenya.
Za.
ndikonibuza mbuzo napindura ngakubvesi kusekeni.
Okay.
Yeah, so in Gusba ini mna armin ango dab ani approach avani buzori no mujita vatu vako rinene ndirefana mara kusha nini munhu then voice nipindura.
Ai.
Tô serious. Chibigo.
Yango da approach.
Ndikole kufika. Sikalikale la.
Yango da approach.
Yeah. And then also unela zofi Gusba fmin in as much as netant ngore auna chine chakuite na mini. Awa yaba na incident ya Makhadzi. But wakunya kuti moilinka na Gusba.
Okay, what I can tell you about that incident today, I don't know that they tell the incident, but what I can say nduri zvaitwa intentionally mara ati dizori nganyinguri atonyango divesesa ngomvesa ne that kind of guy and todo dzorandi ku maintain a peace na mazvinanga my bro even though inini ndichi zvidozori anidaringa changa ti kanne because I'm only fine there.
Yeah,
ara ndichi zvidivora akava Kingsley tidali win.
Yeah, that's straight.
ngori aberechera kashango lituku mamuna ningamba zvithu na vathu nafunga vangasimbudze vatodza vambudze ndizvidziva ungona mara ne ati muthu ane ndidoteyo uinfluensiwa uva muthu wa bede nga nthani uri inini bede atitodi uva influenced nga kuchilele kwa mumwe uri ndichilisa zvezvo ne so atitodi uvenga vathu nga ndava yori vambenga. It's fine, they should hate me mara azvambi uri ne I should hate them back ungona. So that's why I didn't wanna follow that story ndasvika matomono chomono uri izvi zvithu cause muthu ane otamola sound ovoniwa ende wadhiviwa ovoniwa
like ndi muimbi wa Venda kana ndi muthu ane
muimbi hela uti ari idhivi zori iwela ka space chipio mara yova ihone apa la fethu ene ringaisumbana namusi mara tingotodhiva story abe zvingasikona uri muthu wa random asikuda atomola sound mamuna it's impossible ukoteyo vane una influence murawo wezvo zvithu ngomvesa abe phela that's a big stage bra and then ni vane koteyo respecta mumwe na mumwe uchinamela uchila stage cause ashisi kunamelwa nga mumwe na mumwe.
That's the thing mamuna
mamuna ningasikwane mapurisa achikuperforma naye natomola mamuna irregardless of rini yamudhiva kana mini zvikobva ka stage chine yakoperforma kacho uri this is a big stage so munhu ningasikuya natomola sound zvambori uva una influence yapo pitu uri hayi 1 2
so even your management naye if ihone zvambori naye aingotodosara murao uri okay apetu kuita because ini ningadhivani muthu wapizi
ndotozvihambisa ngenendira kana ndikombela uri mini risongosara murao zvithu
then apparently azvingoita ruti yezvi zvithu
according to me zvoita ruti
because ufu waita nti okay maybe mumwe angotomoirwa nikela imwe iraivona akoperforma vamwevo na ndiya figa gastro ile yatomoliwa ile yavesiyamu but then also ndikazamula zori ine simanches ndikambori ndi stage shurani ti like there's big artists there vane Makhadzi avo vabuka so they all to see mtu anoko perform ine niko perform and I mean and then atomoli lazvo ine azvine vaisuri ine simanches ndikori ndi mtu wa peace
zvavaisa
ndi mtu wa peace ndorari mara zvimwe zvithu kandinya kupfesori why zvichikuitiwa na usina chine ndangaita chosumbedza mandanga mara ndinyoro pfesori why nikuita lazvena
ndoti concludera nemune.
And then what was the
it was an act of sabotage. My wave was way too strong, bra, by that time. It was way too strong. Because zvone zvazvikumuvhesa nga pace ya fast. Uzvona? Chimwe chacho kusikotomuvha fast. Luna unozokotodhuma. Luna unozokototomobhukiwa. Luna 1 2 3 kumuvhesa. Mwana umwe ndi Luna. Uzvona? So wave ya is strong ila. So that was an act of sabotage. But then I don't wanna know uri ndinyi.
As long as you know mtu ozvita mara nandava
atina ndava nazvo but I know the reasoning. Reasoning ndiyeyo.
And then where was your DJ lazvo ukotomoliwa ntu ovaone nepo DJ
hola mtu otoda akhadha vathu
atomakhadha unokadha
atongokurumelisa la munhu vathu vachitosedza thungo vofokaza kanthu amutomola sound wave yachiri azvicharira
ukomixa ntu empty
mic ukhamba hafi yotsima generator zvakona zvezvithu mavono tofunga mic ene lauti chiwa khairi kana utotsima generator azvitumani hayi.
And then Makhadzi ene mnango amba chitongazvo
Makhadzi amba chito and she did apologize. She did apologize about it. I'm really sorry. Even now zvezvo ndichitosa stage ini ombodida kane kumbela tsifarelo na mina zvote sorry no ana problem alela sisters
hopefully inoni ya this year kuti nibuka radova futi rododeta rodo fini cross rododidza ntuni angangomkg arikonyaka problem nawa. And then also kazvasokwatakozvilingana Gusba and then also Gusba yanibuka ka fimini the shirando thing zvakutosimbedza veuri no rine rishapu namina kana ndizvo zvazvinodiwaona
zvazvithu ndingasvitori kamsi zvazvikutoitela upfi usumbedza vathu rishapu but then it was just zvazvikutotenda macho zingachaje chipinga umwana be-entertainment nduri vathu vatakare mamuna and mujita naye achizvidiva zvori mini no ndi chance chamujita and mujita adhapa zvinonga 12 apefoma luimbo ravo vathu vadotakara. That's the whole idea behind entertainment.
So who do you look up to? Kamzika.
Who do I look up to?
Anatofore ndiva ndikuita zvononga zvadimani now
ndisakutokopela atina zononga ma.
Okay, the person you just look up to or if let's just use the word look up to because ndama ngachivenda ndonyango fozo ndikonyagori mini
neona foka
jadara
ngachafoka majuzi blind
is the energy kana the lyrics
muna chingona chimwe ngola muna energy lyrical content yawe his pen game is way too dope muthu anenda tomufuna zvakuma ane naye ariti zvithu zvinoyelana tititi ndi Tato Hearts Tato Hearts mamuna track dzawo dziyangila mamuna ndipfesa uri pen game yawe naye idangerous ola muthu kumwalele kwa dzinyimbo ti blind mamuna
and unela zofi idzi dzinyimbo dza piano because no dambo ri yaveni categorize dza piano ti unela zvine rakamori piano dza zvino dzine rari kudzifa mostly dzazi kuhamba nga mudzimu komba nga vatu vafasi dzavini vani kuzvahamba nga mini
dzacho it's random things bra that's a freestyle somehow
and then do you plan on saying narine kamsivona zvine rangatofocus kazvori kuimba ratidza zvori uchijena Lunar ukodova kuhamba nga suzva so akodhiriwera vahawe na mini all those things sazvine Tato atsiratidza achitojena na Tracy ungodova kuita zvimwe mwa kuita zvimwe so that's how it actually
Lunar wetesa matrack otakara and is focused on that mvesa tine muthu anodzula dzitakarerana zvino ufuna mumwe na mumwe achidzula kutakara autakaliwe apo pitu zvobudhi
nikamongotakara were you ever prepared for the thing for the hate ine yadha nantu no va celeb no blow up out of nowhere
I was never bra cause ndazokudoduma nga chikapi usikale ndotuma muziki mvesa I didn't have much time to like prepare for everything because it was just from zero to hero it was just like this so I didn't have time to like prepare and think about it so I was not prepared bra and there's a lot zvine zvadana ngamrawo duma mamuna nami zvine ningasizvumbule ndizatoduma mamuna cause ndizatoduma ndivani kotododuma mara nonoduma nazvibona uri apa vitu
this is the place nena fonga nasong expect nengozozori matsikoduma zvidisana zvinoni
uvengiwa
besides zvine zvoita
hate ine yadanoduma and the pressure you always have to look perfect kamona munhu ndezura ni perfect ndezura ngobonala ni perfect matoni ya vatu mama anikhakini umwana navana duma anichakaka tokaka pedzi inini imwe kakatini khulu I was never prepared for that
I'm confess and then also should we expect any music between you na Gusba zvino like can't refer na voice and rikuvona rini EP yavo
haras to shumos kazvino but then we do discuss
are you talking about it
we do discuss about that
ari ka management because you spoke of then I mean so do you have like a management because that did chipedzo itanto abona vo Bucks na mean so we don't know in where a guy
they were under 360 music of which 360 music is $1 billion.
How do they link up
hela irwa okay $1 billion cards artists za 360 umanager the PR zvezvi zvinera kuita izvi
unomuudza kuti ngoda
nema wazvithiwa there's no way it doesn't
ndorimi
uto creator schedule ene munhu because chimwe chimwe chichambiwa ari nanzi nabudzana ndikutetho mabudza ene uri basa unatu zvasona so I create a weekly schedule yorimi vone namudzi vagara vone machero vana Kingsley vamachero va studio va ku record lini va ku shoot urano
do you think that guy gets his flowers Bucks for zvinoitira music wa Venda
vamwe avamwambisha hapo mamuna mara from the person I saw uri ueneti I'm so glad he is part of whatever I'm doing Professor I don't think they do give him enough flowers that guy avamupidzi flowers nji mamuna and zvinji zvazviito tezvine aambeliwa ti uva kupangwa kakatininga dzeartist mamuna dzeartist chimwe chipinga dziyakaka zvambori kuteyo blame wa Bucks mamuna chimwe chipinga
I feel like he's a good guy man nini bonene episode yawe vatu
really good guy
episode 30
he's
something
so kind and as mtu ane achikushuma na inu vakopandamedzana na chede yanu ima bro
nimsina chede dzanu ani pane midzi dzavamwe
umwana nechakutoni mamuna ningasitoni kugrimedzana na zvwaya mamuna
and then the 361 like management kushimisana we wazara number ndoto zvine nava zvone
okay holani 360 imanager muzika wonune uri muzika uriliziwe uri mapungwadzi royalties uri zvaudzuri muzika ubve chimwe na chimwe chanokorera na muzika nadzi feature nezvuri vone vafeaturana home to 1 2 3 zvamuri
do they decide who you feature and who you don't
they suggest
so if nenda done sound Kingsley like I don't do anything like nyagori ndi feature na Lunar ndaika 360 so how hard is it going to be for them to take that decision
Muna dzi requirements muna. Ni nga si ḓo thoma u bvisa luimbo na Lunar ane ono vha established already. Bvisa. Ni sa thu bvisa luimbo. So somehow ri ate thoma ra cheka catalog yanu uri Kingsley o rali una track ebo kha Spotify. Okay, ina u guy views at least kana streams. Okay, Kingsley una u guy monthly listeners kha mini kha Spotify kana huṅwe fhethu. Ngona. Ezwo zwithu.
And then do I pay for that? Or wanna feature?
Generally I don't at bad is the feature mamuna. Generally I don't.
And then in is no or no one is feature balatu wako kupusha ngandira bazibona wana feature ingwe na ingwe for ba then itakusa kana bathu mabazurana ine ba face ano okay rikunya wana feature kama police or would you think uri ningabantu
okay now those are mean all management ti uthusesa khamini kha dzi features zila dza bathu vhane vha nthantha they are way beyond your reach vhane nne nga si vuna musi nda vha fonela nda ri mini ngona mara huna bathu vhane mini ri kha space chiti u fana na JR Rala kana Mizofeli kana nyinyi mona muṅwe ndi nga kona u founa nda ri ha vha fili nda khou tombela vha mpangele verse kha hii track ma a vha thetshelesa ali vha khou ifila vha pange mini verse so all management uthusa kha dzi features khulwane mona dza dzi national artist na mini.
So they're working on something now. Sorry, hey, Lunar could do out. But busy with 360.
Always cooking. Yeah, straight man. Don't worry, much being a mamma.
Do you think this call is not going to need anything? Nko women and Brian comes because what was the best expector? All Lunar were drop last month. Had to drop a zine. Do you think she could have is going to never talk about that kind?
Hi, I don't think it's called. Mapungunduri, una timing, mamma. You gotta give space to the project. And everything. Nanga zengu release luimbo dona do hamuna.
Yeah.
Zila zingwe zamra dzo thetsheleswa nga tshifhinga ḓe nine. So the idea is to maximize. Ara ro visa project so. Ari ipushe la project ipushe ijene dzi meter. Ri kona u bvisa iṅwe. Ri ipushe mini. Ijene dzi meter ngomvesa. So arali dzimbo dzi sa khou bva mudifho mungana wanga ri nga si ḓo ṱwa ri khou sokou dropa ma.
Yeah.
Ngori another thing dzinyimbo dzi fani. Ni nga bvisa project ine ya vha way too dope. Next week na release yenwe ya Instagraph. We don't want that happening.
Nga didwa it's anele mrao.
Ngozibona
Arrange ku for mas kom to.
Na na visa EP ne a nga do push ofana na hila. So you gotta give that one space uri I push on its own. Ibe sharp. Then arali ya we are ichigo ni dumisisa uya nthafuti. Zwamuri bathu vha khou thetshelesa na zwiḽa zwamura. Zwivana na dzi track dzana nda ndo dzi release. Bathu before Muyani vha sa thetshelesi. But then after visa Muyani we have thetshelesa dziṅwe dzi track dza dzena dzi 100 za dzi 1000. Ngori vha khou thetshelesa mini zwamura.
And then Makhadzi na tomfone na Makhadzi kha thetshelese nthu zwa hone hafha na mini kana ndi vhala bathu vho dini zamavho fhedzi huṅwe fhethu.
Ngombre wait ani
Makhadzi kha ilanthi amjelele because on approach ati so ndilazo on approach ngori vha nani khou ḓizama uri Makhadzi ndina dzinthu dza soko mlupangiwa na nne kana auto for wave ni na vakhayo ndiko tea to ya nemundi ndiko tea tsapa
all the dofa are interested ma offer fascinated nga zwina ndiko ita zwone offer zwikomtakadza
how did it come about hela feature yet
ina feature
conversation yeniko iko tomisana ningano pengelo ḓo vha na tiki ya Makhadzi.
Okay Makhadzi ndo mu wana kha budeli zwo ḓivhuḓi budeli
buka vhathu
so budeli achi rachi ama na kha WhatsApp ri so ambudza uri mona Makhadzi uko dala luṅwe mona nga nḓila ini na kurwa ngayo mona uko to uri muthu uko sumbedza ko tamuita luimbo na ini nda fori zwiko ntakadza mona ngori u to dumane pa mulo vha ri wimba na vho Makhadzi zwono nga zwezwo so rapeza ro exchange dzi numbers I think ofwa nga budeli na nne nda sendelwa number phone nga budeli then I'm Thoma ramba so on this other random day I'm with the sender project area come and record the project na mina zote I was like okay ratura studio raskara recorder sendela project ya mra hela track yo recordwa na msimachole yaba
ndela zwa kumba twa kwamba track ya ijaiwa ngocha chikitwa fast uri Makhadzi ni Makhadzi kuti tanyari amfetu and then what did you think about Kambori Makhadzi kunyago ride wave yano because inini kota kuwa zvino
what did I think about it I think it wasn't true bra yeah ndizvo bathu vha khou pfungari I don't think artist yare bigger kainu ya kononijela spotlight kana mini net jo the ati divizori bathu vha vha to na idea ifio vha tshi khomba duzwa so
no remember vona mimbulo minji mwe mwakumbula zwawo and as favor muzivona mara una zwino vhidzo pfidzi milestone mamona ni a cheka uri muthu ugaye uchiloni mamona she's on the national market ngwana zwino hela track hela feature that feature alone zwo nyita uri na nṋe ndi thomo thetsheleswa vho PTA ngapa
Vatu wa matsonga vanitechelesa kimfanole wa mujelele wa Makhadzi ndola mfetu wemba na Makhadzi ngona somehow zvianiambera umwe fetu zvila zvitu mamona and I didn't see my graph dropping after zvila zvitu because ila track yo drop wanga ine vegan tea ngayo ne vegan tea nda dropa EP yanga ika 2 million point something zobva vegan tea
you think zotusa nori EP and push it?
I don't really know much about the nomboro dzare murahu hezvo zvithu mara national wise ndifunga ri zvilo zvithu zvopusha blind
hey, and then nongamba zvobudheri now it brings us to the gigs I mean because you did a lot of gigs last year nanobvisa na stats or ndirigiri makilometer ngana I mean how are you balancing all these things and then when do you say nah it's not to don't buy it ngasiya konoja gig njinji
wait a minute
guys la kilometers zena nongwara tinoona visa zvistats pala ndikoona mtu profession zoitwa ngani kana ona mtu zvibakazo
azikutoka
ona mtu visa zvistats akamba no luno giri my kilometers so nga need October to December this is what has been to oneta show ngana so ndinyo so kaini so last to nizvimanejisani show njiso kuti show dzadzodara ti and then with regards to that now zodara ini ndigayone nasvikanari no show dzana msidzodharesa ndingasiya kunojia komlorivo ndikati
ndigaenda zvikaenda zvirealize
unene realize ndizonodharesa show uri ndingasitojiavo show dzinosvika 15 ngaduva manongosedza zvononga mina pelo vitu
manongosedza distance petu ri show dzisikatatu zvikagaya ndingazije show yani nina show western it doesn't make sense ndosvikapo petu
ndilo zvine vatu vangu vaperformanga machironi
ngona so zvibva kuri dzivukule ungapani mara ari gig dzikalaini ntiti lese ndobukwa Dharam ndabukwa Kabal Villa
Dharam ni Dar es Salaam
yo ndori gai
not Dharam so ukuma kadara zibumbura ngozi mara ndo hado ifa Dharam
atongori dream club
not Dharam
comes ndo khaka wachizi
zete
comes ndo bukwa dream club ndabukwa Kabal Villa ndabukwa Njelele Lavero ndabukwa kwa Max ndabukwa Mandisi ndabukwa Yellow Village niyasedza zvislatori yedzo gigi dzikalaini nti mamona ndiyakonothoma gai ndiyakonothoma Kabal Villa ndabva Kabal Villa ndadagai Dream Club ndabva Dream Club ndatuwa kizila ndafara Njelele ndaya Lavero ndapfuka ngoraro uzvikera Louis zvikubva kuri route yemangandirade nitotomana negotiate zvisloto na vathu avala vasa napo kavona ndikofunga rende ngathoma hone ndathanga chifhinga depingati vone nne ndikofesora hapo ndingasvika nga 12 ngangevo kwa Max ivo ndikofesa ungari ichi rough past 2 ndo ndikojena mandisi ivo ngachipingade ngoraro
and njisa zine unodzitanga usiku zazingana
njisa zadzi 9
around any pala tendo nazo
that's local
nanokuzita gai
ndotoma gai lyadva
9 and then energy nikodumla zori ndigaina gai energy manikopa energy yofana kaedzigigi dzote because I feel like nyasvika unenge na net around kana uri roba
there you agree no muna va ku drive shikana cheledza na mamwe madimanje ayo takuwa na ita be char performa chivanga chila funa it's a matter of like 30 minutes mamuna
nine dara mara mosh nine dara ma
nine dinji mamuna mara ndodzimele ledu zvazvikubvana kuti dzikaline nti zvazvo ndandotenda jagigi dza 10 ndandojagigi dza 10 zvadudu ndatobhayirwa nganti ngori ndori ndichivosvikavo vatu vakusimbisira mini ndawana vatu vachivobharangana unodzorera magiti ndanama ndapfuka
izvo zvazvokuzonga mingori nobhayiro westimata chipinga chine nangasvika kacho kana
westimata chipinga ndadhiamba ndacommunicatora ndaiche chipinga chaso asimbisira hapa uchiniwo svika lechicha
vatu vavone
avorivo vatu vovodhinetaera vadzituche ngeni ndi manendo chimera
at least and then also zvinorwara kuutsa zori dzipi dzinokodana mini so arambenga Mutulagole ti like ila project ni chimwara like where you trying to prove to the people you're not going to be one hit wonder because that's also another thing that people were saying.
Okay, the idea behind that was to give people more music because I cannot go to a show and go perform rwimbo ruti and then ngasitechereze Lunar dwala then ngotechereza rwimbo ruti. It doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
The idea was to give people more of what they love. People fell in love with me, so I had to give them more of what they love. Yeah.
And then nankomba pala nivo ndo disokora natisemani na mini une elot yakuimba nene neti ya titu ndika disco zvifumati zvimbi lazofi wifi kugogona mbila suni vanko reference mbala vitu na hola mwana obudzise la chunga rukushita roto aru amba zvauri rumwe rwimbo rwadifferent
zvakabva katara iko gogona tiri kutoda katara yavaluva kutambira guitar kwaamwa matada
uko gogona mini mara
katara
hani
ngori mini nini
no reason katara okay katara gogonisa hari because katara ndifara so if inini kopa katara ni chari ni wani yangi aini gogoni ni kure so ndanya ngopfezela live
I explain this chakadaka.
Ndoze ene ndo explain ndo zhango la suma. Lola so uri rumwe rimbo rwa funa minira. Bazi cocktail na romara aritomenga zikatara. Cause nani ko hanezo la mwana. Zuna namsine ndo treasure tsere rimbo rote. Nafazona mwana ko rimini. So ni professor pala peti mangu rozama uri mini. Uko kuna mini moto.
Ma vibe mama na ulamrenje.
Ayeni bari mini ngazi muzika wano. Nazo nena.
They don't say much. I don't think they listen much. I don't think vatecheresa samuzika wanga jarita mamuna mara the way inene ndamba zvithu ngayo ti it's not that obvious unona zviyaridze yakaradiyo mamuna
nonongozviitira izvo unosongotoita vadze radio edit rotojona
ruimbo karutuwa rotoraro mamuna cause radio edit zvikonitodo submita ruimbo and radio dzano mazuva muna dzinovesa advanced avacha ndozi kusubmita rusalidziwe like they have to see uri zvifitini uri rilidzena vatodownloada une vanhu nabet mututu submita ruimbo radio dziarira zva
so flavor ni yakona lamara nangwe nisongotosubmita ruimbo through radio
mona una dzi organizations dzinoriambera kezvo zvithu mama dzinoriambera uri vone arali vone vachikorana zvithu zvonongovapangira cheredei khavabhadhele mumwe namumwe ane party yazvo una dzi organization una zvithu zvononga vosamro vokapaso mini zvishuma mapungo nongane uri vone vato-edita nga luimbo lwanga vakabroadcast vakote mubhadhela vo jambo ri vone vachiposta ka YouTube wangi nne ndina dzi rights ngori ndione apo pita ndoshuma sound yanga ino izina nthu adzilindeli adzithomidza daka Kingsley dzari Kingsley abeni ri peni bugai no dziko kwakodza kha yene vone vakuita automatically ine vone vakuita ka YouTube iza to daka vone automatuswa yanga yavechirwangi vone vakuita zvamo
zvemeka sense nena po knowledge nyana nga zvizvo zvote zva muzika uri zvishumisa hani before ni chijena kana in the middle enepa nana po knowledge yone yote
I didn't have much knowledge mara ndo briefiwa samsi ndo vanditsina muthu ane ukorana company ya music ngona vachidzorera mbudzi uri nikote register zvithu zvasona so uri mapungo asona so asaitenga ndira yaso ya zvononga zvezvo
okay asko haliko far and then back to don't break that down ilant the cocktail food to ipfaza
break this down nditiko zvimbelela
mara nani kuzitaruchedzela duva cause nendo ndakumbura ndandichizvimba ti ndisazvipfi mara zvoniyo ndozvipfa kuona kuti vanje vane obviously zvipfe zvazvo masongo tozvamba fast mama
rigonwats cocktail muchira wagukurume habazdo yes odara stundulume ayemduru kadengero rimurume wazinyana kadengero wambuze box adena deshe amuzarengara osta beshe arodana garata ukushuma keshe yewedo digela na phone leva meshe ma arotavaja
Vameshe ndo viva zicherede ndo viva meshe zicherede
rimwe kurati mari
so nwankura anavazi autotune kaine cause nikuti ifa voice ikobvisa ngandene rari kuibvisa zvavana
totally auna autotune auna zvadzi autotune mixwa masteriwa abalansiwa zvithu na mini but then autotune it's another story
azviso zvavanezvo
autotune ndiyoita uri ifilano lenake ara lisongonaka zvino mara nevo hayi azvoyanga autotune izvi
okay buto lamadhabhura lane
kadayakana vara buto lamadhabhura kuvana biko kopumulanga ashtabhura
okay imanene kwanza kuti yapanda ti buto lamadhabhura na because kojana gai
ai mona ndigigini yapi tukudhipa mamona buto lamadhabhura ndikwambura ndina cherede inji dzikuvuyesa pabuto
tipakaroterikaipa grade 4 rote man eftakarivangwanerire
ndikwambura ipo ndadzikowesa pabudapo pitu mesiwa bade
Yeah, okay. There's no okay. No. I feel like Venda no ije to no peza ngaiti. How's the reception ngapha no nibo nto PT one na waniwa lezo?
It's great, bra. Sa mbuzo ena tumumbusa ngayo na mbusa nga figure vela top notch. Muna value clock. The Pretoria bala bit. But then Chiana was born Ria. Ziko duma ngumfesa wave you on. Influencer na watu bana yasiba Venda lazitu. Abala betu ba Venda ba ya dende ba daba banjiti. Mara awu ba Venda pizzi.
Yeah.
Mara ndo wana ngandere ne crowd yako jaiva ngayo na zibona Ria. Ure bathu ba kudala ngachanu mna.
Okay. And then rakamba ngazo ndari kufunga ile chingani chamboro okay fame iko da iko nikakisa kasuzipio. I feel like unaingwini anongea mndako kufunga kamsi nazo jadi affected. So if niko tomo wana fame zora so how are the ladies? Niko tomo kono zoendla nezo zitu ka abasoko diposana kaini. Cause obviously na ini samujita so if it's chale zikoda ndoto musoko di fuka zikubate zangazo so. So ngo zitsa nini?
Azishuminge ndira.
Mara zikoda.
That's the mara ngado wana zinenza kotoda.
Cause
ndia umbresa mamuna.
Umbresa what do you mean?
Atufuni emana ndia umbresa ndia offer zo dude.
Ngopolwala.
Besides no rwara tuna zikondomo na mini. Ngakadiza mudzivera ngayezo.
Nezo yeah.
Unazi prep ano maduva zinene ngati pre-exposure na dinwa uribo zaniza kabiwe. Ati bini kotope na mtu ena muna ndia opa mamuna. I take intimacy and everything so serious and so spiritual.
It's not for everyone.
Ngumfesa atite kuchimulani kukakadelisa zvitu zvabathu mamuna. And also I don't just date. Uri mini ngoyango sokoto la. Timuntu nozokoto tafuna mamuna.
Tomana cheka na type.
Mana besides type mamuna. Bathu banji I don't do cloud chasers, bra. Ndingasikono udate na ndicho dazore ningo gidimezana na mini mama. I cannot.
So how do you know if mutu odera zvinena vanazvo kana zvinena vazvo?
Response ya mutu nebona mamuna. Una mutu ane nichiyakayo ukudanga nga vibe dzori hapendi Luna. Mwana havana mutu ane nichiyamba naye akuchibaya chizori inodhuma ini kana mini.
Unotuma nikondisende nato then.
Mara achikukondisa ngozvibona uri mutu utobase ukazvo zvinena kudzama zvone zvanena kudanga zvini zvisikufunga ne Luna mini hai. Una mutu ane nichiyamba naye nitozvibona uri vasa.
Unazvivadera
until nichiyamba naye until ono mutu nichiyamba naye akunonipfesa sorry yeah this guy is actually serious about me serious ngazina yakotoda zvono muna tini ngwambisa mdzana for sure unja wadzana they have that idea yori ukunyambisa ngori ndi Luna na vakuzikutowela zvononga zvayeza na mini I cannot date such people
zvambori ina nchambisa zvinomotondirambisiwa
nganyine ndina mzadzi
ndikota tizvimuna ndisokota zviyavasoga nereyekukwisa vewe ndikota amborivo zvavezvodzira shapo vatodiva kudhidha navewe naminami ende hono ndimuswa tizamona kila chipinga nanonodhuma achisati achisvika so nani sichaya vachikotodza kaini vapfa chivenda so atikuti vaduisa miya vanhu
ndotoya majizi avongotoda ara vadenda ngasiite izvo zvitu
at least ende vatakara nguvaposta nakaperi kuvavona but hey
lambese
yeah but then also before richiita before richovhara ti nyauriita totodhipanyana cause I feel like zviva zvisife uri ndidhise artist ndidowe ndiusore who do you think are your top 5 artists? I always ask that one eyo kana mine so aurora Venda so ngocheka risina ndawo genre kana ifiyo lakini ndapiona watu wana for avoni vatuti vatano Venda
vakuritusa
like vakurita vatu
una mizofili mamuna ti una JR player mamuna auna mtu azotomwamboka top 5 yaula I think that guy is great
ngotsera top 5 zavangu
no JR player ndotomomwamba na podcast yangu yotom before I got any idea yori maybe uambi wabadi podcast zori uambi wabadi ndosara ndichizvipfakaini nichikuzvayamba kai podcast yene visa recently anepo
yamiki ino tonga kana kotombrera
ndianye mara unapeto enamburi ya JR uambiwa sa top 5.
What do you think of him as an artist?
What do I think of him? That guy is great, bra, and he's able to navigate from that space to love song nami adaka piano that guy olamono warwa mama mbana olamono warwa ene ndacho ndoni varera vaviri una ndore mizofili na JR una Gusba
na baba sali kabato banje
una Gusba banana una Makhadzi nikupfesesa uri those are the other people vane they are doing
vati
great
vachihamba
in this
tikofunga
and
Makhadzi ari
varimerera.
timuvara Makhadzi kofunga ari timuvara because we already know mara it's fine that's your top 5
ndikotozamuhamba ini nori vana kuritani vana kuritakura kuritakura muna seva Venda
yeah true
akono vana nyi mumwe futi nandohangwa mani anokutoritakura straight
kana inonambunaro mufavor uri hey this is my top 5
anoenda fesoriwo muthu uyu uwela ka top 5 ringamba nangajr manje
ndikasiona ndamara tomanitentranga
ndikwamba kutiluvili nditonomamadi ringamba nga miki naye miki naye Miki Black.
Okay. Yeah, and then do you think there's enough money kamzika une unganikona ni sustain ini zvine na vazone because nani kwamba tizoraro notomana pangombo ri munabe mututio vonara nyana na mina. So do you think unacherere pala pete ingani tusa?
Munhu arandikokona uchira nai arandikokona bharira dzibili ndava shapu nai
ni muzika zvotezvo
un'wana
chamari mauti yako la Venda ma
manditako nyambudza mamo zvinobvavo kauri mini zvakuti machitakuru
ndezvine andifarenga December ende nanikonotongera ngazvo
ndazotongwa notongera matozvipara vatu uzvipo tingotonga
notoambori munhu ndivandinazichereti dzanga ndiyakondoonara aniwanana chimwe chiyogiriwa zvasona nikwavo
ningozvipa
but then it's fine
ndirichoyagigini ndirichoyojachademe
ndikozifakonevedara
zvinosingoritonga munhu zvapambana
ndingamba booking fees ano ndoyada sifazi kuvudzisiwe ndingaziyamba booking fees ano
ndikovudzanye anokotodombuka waene
aniyero kupfesesa obvious vatu chede yadina chedina lwambo
munhu anori mutu atoya kunivarerera
mara besides hezvo ti uri chede ndingayambana ti there's something you said actually last ronopedza rasi kushuta rotozula namba zori you have a booking fee did you say indoor na outdoor why do you do that
zvopambana mamuna crowd dzinenge anikoperformera dzona and zvibvana kauri pela this is a business and vatu vanonividza vanonibuka they are running businesses
sure
so space cha tavern na space
chamakuva
cha gastronomy kana makuva azvifani who is going to make more profit there so it depends on also the profit they are going to make so tavern adzidi profit ufanana na one woman show maybe ya Makhadzi so zvembori na mitengo yano ingasifane
and then if zadzichima dzadzikovuya so maybe this year kana next year because yata dzichivuya dzatantu ningajoina zvino and ndipi category napfunga ri eno ndingaijoina ndaiwina
atituzidivisa zadzichima naziona kwambori like it's category dzilana mini atituzidivisa maybe you can try to break it down for me
category na hip hop na mapiano na mini
kana ndingaura kama mapiano nikwamba idzi category dzazijandra I thought maybe nikwamba tidivi
category vyokazi yawo
atidivi mamuna
so unaenda for I know ndingaijia what's the song of the year I mean ninga dia rwimbo raijia
last year ndana frupero lori zvingajia
actually speaking of last year no itantu nova song of the year antu yapara kana
no I took the second place here took second place
ambone womi
wa Sesikarose I think
okay azvikitantu nayo tumovhuza pupuru yeah but then also closing if atokenya kuinibuka na mini na pezela the price dzineno dziudza ne vakanibuka kadzipiyonto
nomborozinawo devila zino that is 079
that's because that never think about it with that
079 451 2462 let me repeat 079 451 2462 yeah
okay that's number and then any project yako that this year or at least
kuda EP ya nyimbo za 4
vayuni vatu vanokona vakora ma ukutofi 4 vadziri vakutoda dzimwe you can do 7 at least
muna dzodharanyana muna tsadzane chipinga chamwaha mamuna uri ndichipinga muna zvidependa katu zvinji
then kwedropa rini ngei nichikokaura mwa uri vatu
zvino nepa zvavhuti sikale apa ndikododropa EP ya track dza 4
so ngedropa ndizatodropa video the feel last tanga achiita zvacho slow
mwana ne inongodropa lini ne
zvino enepa
okay jamba ndotavanya ngoni donipire donipire not you cut it but
yeah so far ngasikati chiti mara man thanks a lot for coming back
no shout out
yeah zvanda zvatanzwana nani azvone so guys kave vane tingoita nadzi intro tichitoma ti mara yamunhu oroti mari kuamba
tomangara manini avichaitwa dzintro
no mara tovadhanga outro so thanks guys tinokona chuna ini apana navo neno episode yablind yavaluna for vatu vaiva vakuriro muna ila video yegaichenaridhisira yone kalenapo aichabvera zvino k yodha noivona yasadhapo zvino hangovuluima munhu mara inonido
yasadhati chavuya
asamfara tsono ranga mara toimaka musi 2 years hanavuya nonotova so unosvika apo thanks a lot. This video is probably brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance vana vakuita vadzi-funerals nadzi-insurance dzothe package dzinanyanya kudiva ngadzo dzothe nevafonere vanefara vadonivadzovadimudza dzori vaita mina mini and then if nyorwa fone ndi 015-151-0251 kana 0252 kana nemadeka nomboro dzavo dzawhatsapp dziri nepo dza 24/7 edzo aunofi mini anytime nichifona ndova 1 and then hapo nonera kuchitaone namusi initapinazaudivinodiva rikundisa makuwani tinogimapitori so apa ndio nonera kuchitaone zva quality ya dangerous pana studios. So if you want to utilize the equipment vaita rental vaita studio rental nacho besides the equipment so now ndingafonera ka 0100232939 or info@pandastudios.com. I'll see you on the next one. Bye Luna.
shout out
nyavadianga vese kandizarovara
yori mini
atinyavatinasingonyangovonera vatovoimbabe nidie kandikandivhari
hai mandisokota varonga limwe la imwe track yanokuudha
machuzdikodeikatidaisa vatoi
namusi ndokwata ndosinyiwa ndidongagara venda lobilupa endadova ndanga chihondo chotungupa ena ndidonga ndidovasa pa naone mumwe na mumwe kaite zvawe ena vangana vawe naone mumwe na mumwe kaite zvawe ena musadzi wawe naone mumwe na mumwe kaite zvawe ena mashaka awe ende asinguvangwa listi ya vangana vawe avadivesa adivetha madzawe
ndinosipazirakamba ndimessage rekanyakowisa vaturi mari nodhisa sipul achizinorwesa shosho hey arted avo
ndonivudza zvo rei podcast ti ina mudzimu nga ngomu
ende azvakukoma
rari zvinwele
I love you, homie.
I love you too, homie.
Past 5 amashero utako and rufuso nga 3 rozo fani oninga idea company cheyo